Hey guys, my name is Steve from Trim That Weed, and our video today is about how to store your lawnmower in the garage. We're going to explore all the safety measures of proper lawnmower storage. So, do stick around until the end to learn more about how to achieve this goal. What will you need in the garage? The first thing you should think about is adequate space. Is the garage spacious enough to accommodate your lawnmower? If there is inadequate space, create some by reorganizing and decluttering your garage. Aim at storing the mower at the corner to move it out of the way. You can also think about building a shelving unit for the less bulky items. This unit not only creates space, but also organizes the garage. Consider using a floor mat. If you're going to put the lawnmower directly on the floor, consider getting a floor mat. This will protect your lawnmower and also the floor of your garage. If the lawnmower is going to stay indoors for a long time, this is the best way to store it safely. A polyvinyl floor mat is ideal as it's durable and tough when placed under bulky items. Sloped platform or wheel ramp. If you still need to bring out your lawnmower often, consider building a sloped platform. This will make it easy to pull it out and return it after use. A ramp might require some knowledge to bring together, but it will be ideal for small to medium-sized lawnmowers. You can also store more items under the ramp and create even more space. A ramp is easy to pull a wheeled item up and down. Cover the lawnmower. You might think that covering is not necessary when it's stored indoors, but dust gathers most in garages. This place is rarely dusted if ever. You might want to protect your lawnmower from dust if it needs to serve you for a long time. This measure is important if you're storing your mower for weeks or months on end. In wet weather conditions, a garage can become humid and cause rusting to your mower. A cover comes in handy to prevent such occurrences. Get a hydrophobic lawnmower cover made with vinyl or polyester materials. This measure will protect your lawnmower's blades and outer cover from rust all winter long. Use a wall hanger. If you have a small-sized lawnmower, a wall hanger is the best piece to install in your garage. This will keep the lawnmower safe and also keep it out of the way. Stumbling on a lawnmower when reaching out for other items is both annoying and dangerous. This option is only workable with small lawnmowers. Winterize your lawnmower. When winter comes knocking, items like lawnmowers are best stored until the next spring. In these few months, your storage technique will determine if you'll have a working lawnmower in the spring or not. How do you winterize? The first step is to remove the battery. This is a simple process. Disconnect the battery from the cables and wipe out any debris with a dry cloth. Next, clean the terminals with a battery cleaning product or a simple metal brush. Store your battery in a dry location away from heaters and gas. Once the battery is out, it's time to remove any leftover fuel in the lawnmower before storage. This process requires a fuel stabilizer for safety. This can and should be done in an open space to avoid accumulation of carbon monoxide. Ensure that you run the engine first for a few minutes before putting it off. Apply a little bit of science and siphon the excess fuel into an empty can. Use this gas for your car or any other automotive. There are so many things that could go wrong when the fuel is left in the mower. A fire could start in the garage and the fuel can cause extensive damage. Stale oil is also not good for anything. The last step is to clean your lawnmower. Start by removing the spark plug to avoid accidental engine starts. Remove any debris and dust from the engine and dispose of it. Check for more debris in the lawnmower's deck and clean appropriately. Take a hose pipe and spray your lawnmower until it's spotless. Leave it to dry, and now it's ready to go in the garage. There you have it, our complete guide on proper storage of lawnmowers in the garage. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments box below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye.